What is going on, everybody? It's DJ from the Dudes Cooking Show. This is the third take, anyway. But anyway, just wanted to say hello to everybody, and today we're going to do a childhood classic. I cracked myself up. I want to say hello to all my homies and stonies and everybody that don't know me, but you have came to the right channel, because today we're making a childhood classic munchy sandwich. We are making a grilled cheese with 3 cheeses. It's gonna have American, Gouda, Cheddar, and this beautiful, whatever the heck it's called, Tuscan Boule loaf. And we're gonna cut it into nice thick slices, and we're gonna get that in the pan, and it's gonna taste fantastic. And that's a guarantee. You can take that to the bank. So with that being said, I'll be back in a second and we'll get this party started. You have a great moment while I'm gone. So if you like what you're seeing, please give us one of these. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends, because you won't be disappointed. Alright, so welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back. So we're over here at the stove now. Don't look in the background, okay? I know the Christmas stuff is still up, okay? I know this. And, I'm too busy making videos and working. I don't have time to put Christmas stuff away. So, don't judge. Okay, so now we're going to get everything ready. See, I got this pretty cheese. That's a lot of cheese, okay? We're going to cut the cheese. I got it, the 3 different layers of 3 different kinds of cheeses. So we're going to cut the cheese and to fit the bread, okay? Because you don't want cheese flopping all over the pan, burning the pan, and all that good stuff. So you got to cut the cheese to fit the bread. So anyway, let's get the cheese on the bread. Another quick tip you want to make sure, I know you guys are dudes. Hopefully you have a smart wife around or girlfriend telling you how to do this. Make sure the butter's out, bro. Make sure the butter's out so it's softened, so it's easier to get on the bread. Like this friggin' bread that I can't seem to get out of the packaging. Okay, so you know what's gonna happen next. I'm just gonna hear it, because that's what we do. All right. So anyway, these are the tools. Butter knife, fancy one too. Bread cutter, okay? Slice off the edge here. Not too much. You can use that for something else. You want to get you a nice, maybe a nice thick piece of bread here. Okay. Got the bread. About a what is that? Half an inch? Maybe. Get you another one. Okay. About the same size. The thing with these fancy breads, it's hard to get them to match up on the pan. So, you gotta work it. So you want to get one side of the bread buttered, okay? And this is why you want this buttered soft. And I'm using an unsalted butter because, again, I like to watch my sodium. So, and I'm not making this stuff just for videos. I'm making this stuff to eat. So, get some butter on there, because, it's going to be in the pan for a little bit, because that, cheese has got to melt. And I'm going to show you how to get that cheese to melt. Okay. Now, for those of you at home, you could sprinkle a little salt. I use Himalayan salt for a little flavor. Okay, there you go. Boom. That looks awesome. Now we do the other side. And this ain't no, grilled cheese that Mama used to make. This is gourmet grilled cheese here. Okay. When you're sitting home at night, doing whatever you're doing, hitting the bong, watching TV, drinking a beer, you can say, man, I'm going to the Dude Show, man. I'm going to see what they're cooking up tonight. So anyway, we got this salted up. I can't get rid of these sniffles. We got the butter on the bread. All we gotta do is get the oil in the pan and get this party started. Okay, we got the pan on, medium. You know, we don't want to burn it. Let's hope we don't burn it. Oil's in, okay? See my pretty little oil holder? I know, it's awesome. You can use butter here too if you want. And we might throw a little butter in there just for shits and giggles. But anyway. Okay, let's get that cheese on the bread here. Alright, so we got the bread a little bit ready to rock and roll. So we're going to cut this cheese up into like little squares maybe. Don't want that oil to get too hot. Don't want the oil to get away from you here. So we're going to make a slice here. We're going to make another little slice for here. And then we're going to make some to fill in the aisles here. Okay. And that looks to be just about right. We might have a little bit of cheese left over, but you know, if you want to get it on it, just get it on there. Like again, we're not doing presentation here. We are doing killer food. Okay. So anyway, pan on. The oil is in. Let me show you guys how we do this here at the Dude's Kitchen. So anyway, we're gonna take our bread. Oh, we just lost our cheese. So dude! The cheese! What? Okay. It's in the pan. Get something, anything that's laying around, put a little weight on top of that bad boy. Okay, get that cheese to melt. I'm gonna get that spatula out. I got me my spatula here. Apparently I didn't do a really good job cleaning it. And you just want to let that cook. Put a little pressure on that bad boy. Can you hear that crumbling? So when it gets a little brown on the other side, you want to take it off and you want to go ahead and, I was not supposed to do all that. See what we got going on here. See if we got a little browning going on. About 3 minutes on each side should be good. Okay, push it down. Get that cheese going. I did the grilled cheese today because I'm just craving a grilled cheese, and I figure you guys, you know, will like it. Okay, so here we go, guys. Let's get this thing flipped over. Looks kind of brown here. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Right there. Awesome color. Awesome. Starting to melt. Looking good. You know, give it another 2 minutes. This side's going to cook a little bit faster because the pan is heated up now and she's ready to go. Okay, so you got to keep an eye on that. Check it like every minute, you know? Every minute, check it. And that butter you had on top of that will melt now because of the heat. And there you go. You know, it's not that big of a deal. It's all good. Well, there you go, guys. There is the Dude's grilled sandwich, and if that doesn't kill your buzz, nothing will. So enjoy. Remember to like, share, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll be bringing you back some more great recipes. Hope you enjoy.